Hi everyone, it's Erin from EB Mixed Media. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of my collage journal. I made this journal in a Fodder School class with Di Venter. I believe it was Fodder School 3. It is comprised of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 signatures, which was probably too many. And it has a Coptic stitch binding and a fabric cover, and we stamped, I stamped the fabric for this, and this is flower sack cloth. If you're interested in learning how to make it, I would check out her Instagram page. She makes a lot of journals in her work. So this became, I used Kraft cardstock, so nothing really heavy or fancy, because it wasn't going to be taking a lot of wet medium. And let's just take a quick look at it. So this is, it is really super chunky. And again, I probably, if I were to do it again, I wouldn't have done so many signatures so that it would close a little better, because this stitch does generally allow your journal to lie flat. So this is the first page, which I actually just did. I always do the first page last because I hate breaking in a new journal and having the first page be something I don't like. So I like to play in the journal, get a feel for the journal, and then do the first page last. So hopefully it's the best page because I've just gotten that much better. I don't know. I don't know if this is the best page, but here it is. So these papers were made in Fodder School as well. This was with Sarah Gardner. This is a cool, I think this might be a prescription that Casey sent me from Express Your Artsy Soul. This says remember the now, and it is embellished with a little artist trading coin that I made. I might have a video on how I made those on my YouTube. This is drywall tape. Attitude is everything. This is a botanical, watercolor botanical that I made. And I make these big circles using pill bottles. And the caps get really, the tops get really gunky. And so when you first are using it and if you don't clean it, it's a very thin line. And then as you gunk it up and the paint dries, you get a thicker, messier line. This says kindness. This was a piece of paper sent to me in Trading Paper Pals. See possibility everywhere. This was also a Trading Paper Pal paper, and this came from Dina Marissa. This is one of her stencils, and she sent me this flower and some Happy Meal. I like this one a lot. It's so bright. This might have been the first one I did. And this has a collage cluster from Ricky Tikki Tavi's Fodder School class. Out of limitations comes creativity. This is a floral that I do show how to make in my Fabulous Florals class, which is online on Teachable, and it's a free class. Be brave with your life. This is what I call painted paper posy. That's also in the Fabulous Florals class. Adventure awaits you. You can never have too much happy. This is from a slip of my mother's, this piece of lace. Sometimes you have to take chances. This is another cool receipt. I think I got that in the Trading Paper Pals. Trade. Start doing things you love. I like that one. Lots of Trading Paper Pals here. That came from Happy Mail. This did as well. This one, I made this tag using paper striping, and this little cluster came with Trading Paper Pals. Again, I used some drywall tape here, and this is a cool French dictionary page, tiny dictionary. I love this one. Just a pretty watercolor botanical, some fabric here. I really think the colors are pretty. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. This was a Painted Paper Pal trade. Focus on what's important. I'm pretty sure this I made in the Fabulous Florals class, if you're interested. Hold on tight to your dreams. This is a stencil from Dina Marissa. This is the cap of something, again, that I used to make the circles. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. This floral is a blob from a piece of palette paper, and I turned it into a flower, and that's also in the Fabulous Florals class. This check back here was a check that my dad wrote apparently to my grandfather for a birthday gift, and I found it in my dad's paperwork. I guess he either never sent it to my grandfather or my grandfather never cashed it. Another cone flower. Listen to your heart, it will show you the way. Other cool papers. I think all the papers on this page, with the exception of this, are from Happy Mail. And this is just a nice watercolor square. I just recently have a video showing how I made those. I made encouragement cards with those. That's on my YouTube channel. Here's another cluster from Ricky Tikki Tavi's class. And again, all of these papers are trading paper pals. And this is player piano music. The big rolls that go in the piano. This is another cluster, little tag that we made in Ricky Tikki Tavi's Fodder School class. What seems ordinary is often extraordinary. This is some cool needlepoint pattern paper in the background. They said she couldn't, and so she did. I think I overworked this one. I don't know. I think I just added too much to it. It's not my favorite. Happiness. I love the colors on this one. This is a paint chip I found in a box when we first moved here. I had all my kind of decorating ideas in a box, and there were some paint chips in there. And this is another one of my painted paper posies. Choose to see the good stuff. I think this is a Dina Marissa stencil, another paint chip. Sheet music is always a good neutral background. You are capable of becoming more than you realize. I think these are in my Fabulous Florals class where I show how to make florals with stencils and without. Live your dream with passion. This is another floral from the Fabulous Florals painted paper posies. This is a security envelope, and again using a pill bottle to make those circles. Be authentic, more of a security envelope. This is a cool little metal plate that I got from a reuse store here in Portland. Thought those were cool. Do more than exist. Another little watercolor floral. I like the black splatters, give it a kind of grungy effect. Stronger Than Yesterday. This too is a Dina Marissa stencil, and I think she made this and sent it to me. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. I like this one a lot. Fall in love with as many things as possible. This base page is palette paper. It just had some beautiful colors on it. And the cone flowers are my favorite. This is kind of a fun one. This piece of paper was given to us when we first moved to Maine, and we went out to our town landing, and we met a woman there who was from the Midwest like we were, and she jotted down a bunch of things to do in Portland, and I held on to this, and I just found it in a drawer, and I never wanted to throw it away, so I put it in here. And then this is created with high flow black acrylic from Golden, and I stamped a pill bottle in it, stamped it on here, and then spritzed it with water, and you get this great effect with the water bleeding. And this is palette paper again in the background as a background. Live every day with intention. More palette paper. I was on a kick where I was really going through a lot of palette paper. Kindness, another cluster from Ricky Tikki Tavi's class. Nice piece of lace here and some fabric. There's nothing like a dream to create the future. Another fun floral there. And that's it. So that was really fun. I am not going to make another journal right away. I found at Michael's this great Kraft cardstock that was already cut out, and it measures, I think it's 6 by 6. Yeah, it's 6 by 6 squares. And so I think I'm going to start making collages on this. And then I bought a long time ago these rings, and I'm going to just punch holes in the corner and put them on a ring. So I'm just feeling a little pinched for time right now. I saw these. I thought, oh my gosh, they're so perfect. I don't have to cut anything. I don't have to do anything. I've got these rings that I've never used. This is going to be perfect. So that's what I'm going to do going forward. I want to keep doing the collages. I really like doing them. They're quick. They're fun. It's a great way to use up paper scraps. So I don't want to stop just because I've finished this journal. Anyway, thanks for joining me with this. Thanks for traveling along as I made all of these pages. It's been super fun, and I look forward to doing more. We'll see you again soon with another video. In the meantime, you can find me on Instagram. I'm at EB Mixed Media. That's EB_Mixed Media. Thanks, everyone. Bye.